Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you a cold start. Here's your choke here. All the way up is on. This is your heated grips. Up is high and down is low. And here's ignition. Emergency stop is up to be off. And here we go. Just turn down the choke a little bit, just to, you know how it is, feather it in. Turn on that heated hand grip. There you have it, and now I usually just let it sit for 5 minutes or so, and it's nice and toasty by the time I get it out of the truck bed. But as you can see, it just turns right over and turns right on. And once she's warmed up and settled down, burned all the choke fuel out, it'll stop smoking quite as bad. Full start handle here. The guy before me put all these stickers on. There you have it.